Hey, what's going on? Today I'm just going to show you how to fix the electric shift on your Honda 4Trax. There we go, now we focus. Honda 4Trax 350, I think it is. So the electric shift isn't working on it. And the dash has gone out of it too. So anyway, it's pretty simple. I don't know what's going on with the camera, why it's not focusing. It's pretty simple how to take this all off and fix it. You most likely don't even have to buy a new part, just take it apart and clean it. So I just pulled that out of there. It's all magnetic, so it's a little hard. So up here, your brushes touch that. So your Arvitol or something, I don't know what the heck it's called really. But all those little slots in there, you have to make sure they're all clean. And you really don't want to sand this, so just get like old piece of blue jeans or something, just clean it up lightly, or the finest sandpaper the world has. And then make sure this is all clean. Even if you see black stuff in that wire, just clean it off with some brake cleaner or whatever you got, and that evaporates quick. And you don't want something sitting on there and eating the little the coating on the copper wire. But anyway, to take this off, it was just 2 bolts. They were 10 mil. 2 big ones. And then to actually get the electric motor off, it was just 3 Allen keys. So it's pretty easy. And you look underneath your front tire, you can see all those. There's just your white one here, the very first one. And all it has is this little button. You just push that in and pull the plug out by the plastic piece with the other hand. It'll come right out. Now it's attached with some straps or whatever Honda put on there, but anyway, I'll have a part 2 to this. I'm not going to make a huge long video. I don't know, my camera's acting really weird right now, so figure that out and then put a part 2 on. Second I upload this, I'll have a part 2 of it too. So if you're interested on learning how to fix your electric shift on an ATV, they're all similar too. It doesn't have to just be the Honda 4Trax. If you have electric shift, you have one of these little motors on there. And basically you just have to clean it. And then when you get in the inside, you'll have little springs. And then these are your brushes. Yeah, I fixed this before, is why mine looks so weird and all soldered. These aren't even original brushes, they're actually off an old air compressor or something. 12-volt air compressor. But those just slide right out of either one of these slots. Yeah, you want to clean this too and make it all nice. Get a little toothbrush. Just be gentle on everything. Make sure your bearings are good. Yeah, so now it's all cleaned up. I'm going to put it back together. And to put it back together, you put one spring in, you put your brush in, with your, it's already going to be in the connector there. And then you get this, and you actually stick it in there just to hold it. Or you get to hold it with like a little zip tie or piece of plastic first. Once you get both in, you just put this in on an angle, then pull your little pieces of plastic or whatever you're using for little shims to hold those springs shut. Put that in there and you're done. Then spin it, make sure it's not binding up and everything's working nice. Put your cover back on. Put your 3 Allen key bolts back on. Put your 2 10 mils back on. Plug it in and it should work. So once I do all that, I'll have the part 2 video. See you on the next one.